Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a problem that many car owners face at some point, a grinding noise when turning. This can be a really concerning sound, and it's important to figure out what's causing it so you can get it fixed. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common causes of a grinding noise when turning, as well as how to diagnose the problem and fix it. I'll also give you some tips on how to prevent this problem from happening in the first place. So, if you're hearing a grinding noise when you turn your car, be sure to check out this video. I'll help you get to the bottom of the problem and get it fixed so you can drive safely and without any annoying noises. Diagnosis: a rattling noise when turning the wheel is often caused by worn-out tie rod ends. These are the ball joints that connect the steering rack to the wheels. When they wear out, they can cause a clunking or rattling noise when you turn the wheel. Other possible causes of a rattling noise when turning the wheel include loose wheel bearings. This can cause a grinding or growling noise when you turn the wheel. Worn-out CV joints. These are the joints that connect the axles to the wheels. When they wear out, they can cause a clicking or popping noise when you turn the wheel. Damaged power steering pump. This can cause a whining or groaning noise when you turn the wheel. If you're hearing a rattling noise when you turn the wheel, it's important to have it checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. This could be a sign of a serious problem that needs to be addressed. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. The severity of the noise may vary depending on the speed at which you are turning the wheel. The noise may be more noticeable when turning in one direction than the other. The noise may be accompanied by other symptoms, such as vibration or difficulty steering. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to have your car checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. Probable causes: a bad wheel bearing is one of the most common causes of a grinding noise when turning. The bearing is a metal ring that allows the wheel to spin smoothly. When it wears out, it can make a grinding or scraping noise, especially when turning. Symptoms: grinding noise when turning. Noise gets louder as you turn sharper. Noise may be accompanied by vibration. The car may pull to one side. Diagnosis: jack up the car and spin the wheel by hand. If you hear a grinding noise, the bearing is likely bad. You can also check for play in the wheel bearing by grabbing the wheel at the top and bottom and trying to move it. If there is excessive play, the bearing is bad. Repair: the wheel bearing will need to be replaced. This is a job that is best left to a professional mechanic. Another common cause of a grinding noise when turning is a problem with the brakes. This could be caused by worn brake pads, a warped rotor, or a stuck caliper. Symptoms: grinding noise when braking. Noise may be accompanied by vibration. The car may pull to one side when braking. Diagnosis: inspect the brake pads for wear. If they are thin or worn, they will need to be replaced. Check the rotors for warping. If they are warped, they will need to be replaced. Make sure the calipers are not stuck. If they are, they will need to be repaired or replaced. Repair: the brakes will need to be repaired or replaced. This is a job that is best left to a professional mechanic. A CV joint is a flexible joint that allows the wheels to turn. If the CV joint is damaged, it can make a clicking or grinding noise when turning. Symptoms: clicking or grinding noise when turning. Noise may be accompanied by vibration. The car may shake or shudder when accelerating. Diagnosis: inspect the CV joint boots for tears or damage. If the boots are damaged, the CV joint will need to be replaced. You can also check for play in the CV joint by grabbing the axle shaft and trying to move it up and down. If there is excessive play, the CV joint is bad. Repair: the CV joint will need to be replaced. This is a job that is best left to a professional mechanic. These are just a few of the possible causes of a grinding noise when turning your car. If you are experiencing this problem, it is important to have it diagnosed and repaired by a qualified mechanic.